Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, October 7th, and you know what that means. It's a
Funky
Fresh
Friday
here at
Academy Mortgage.
Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
Hey, we're here to tell you about some cool things happening all over Arizona this weekend.
So what do we got going first, Rob?
Well, first, I've got a quick shout out to Cliff in Alaska. That's right, Alaska. He is one of our followers and watches Funky Fresh Friday every week. He has a store in Seward, Alaska called Forest Tides and Treasures. They carry a unique collection of apparel, top brand outdoor gear, and Alaska-made wares. He sent me this fun shirt for this week's Funky Fresh Friday. So thanks, Cliff. And everybody check out Forest Tides and Treasure online and save 10% on your first purchase or call them at 907-831-1995. Tell them Rob sent you.
Kind of make me hungry with that shirt.
All right, John, we want to start off by wishing everyone a happy National Chocolate-Covered Pretzel Day.
Ooh,
That's right.
Good.
October 7th officially marks the sweet and salty goodness of National Chocolate-Covered Pretzel Day. Whether they're dipped in dark, milk, or white chocolate, be sure to celebrate every mouth-watering pretzel bite.
I love me some chocolate-covered pretzels.
You know what? What is your favorite chocolate-covered treat? Message us below and tell us.
Good question.
That's a good question.
Let's hear from you.
Yeah, love to
Hey,
hear
Rob,
from
what do we got going next, Rob?
Well, John, leading off, we have two words. Road trip.
Who doesn't love road trips?
Oh, man, a road trip. A nice road trip. So pack up the family, gas up the car, and hit the highway north for a short hour-and-a-half drive car ride. Find yourself in the high desert of northern Arizona. That's right. Your destination is Mortimer Farms in Dewey, Arizona.
Dewey.
And be ready to get your Pumpkin Fest and Corn Maze on.
Sweet.
That's right. Mortimer Farms Pumpkin Fest and Corn Maze has something for everyone. So get lost in their giant corn maze, find the perfect pumpkin in their pumpkin patch, enjoy farm-inspired rides, games, activities, and farm-to-table food. Farm's right there. There's a table. Farm-to-table. That works for me, right? And wait, before you decide, each Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Columbus Day, guests will enjoy an extensive list of shows, entertainment, grain trade rides, barrel train rides, hay rides, vendors. And when the sun sets, you'll enjoy the activities on the farm. They'll have fire dancers, karaoke, barn dances, and navigating through the corn maze in the dark. And it'll be a lot of fun. John, tell everybody where to go.
Well, the cool thing, this is going to be at the Pumpkin Fest, which runs, of course, from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Rob, they even have a barn dance on Fridays from 6 to 10, which is kind of cool, and that's at Mortimer Farms.
Nice.
12907 East State Route 169, Dewey, Arizona. Call them at 928-830-1116. Tickets are only $22.50 starting at.
Not bad.
By the way, the current temperature there is only 73 degrees. Nice little break from temperature.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Nice little getaway. What's up next, Rob?
John, how about the Phoenix Greek Festival?
Ooh.
I love me a Greek festival. The Greek Festival is going to be at the Holy Trinity Greek Orthodox Cathedral this weekend. That's right. This festival is an opportunity to share in the rich history, culture, and culinary delights of Greece. In addition to authentically prepared Greek cuisine, you can indulge in a shopper's paradise, which includes booths selling a variety of items, including Greek jewelry, Greek artwork, Greek food. That's right. It's going to be Greek.
It's all going to be Greek to me.
It's going to be Greek to me. I like that one. Additionally, the nationally recognized community dancers in traditional costumes from the various regions of Greece will be performing throughout the weekend. And don't worry, if you don't like meat, they'll make lamb.
That's cool. And that's, of course, going to be from the 7th through the 9th of the weekend at the Holy Trinity Greek Orthodox Cathedral, and that's at 1973 East Maryland Avenue, Phoenix 85016. Admission's just $5. Children 12 and under are free. And what's after that, Rob?
Well, I'll tell you, John. Something's bugging me, John.
What's that?
John, I'm bugging right now. I don't know if you noticed, John.
Bugging?
Yeah, I'm bugging, John. I'm bugging for some bugs. So next up, we have the Arizona Insect Festival. That's right. You're invited to the 10th Annual Insect Fest.
Who doesn't like bugs?
Who doesn't like bugs, right? The University of Arizona's Department of Entomology hosts this unique festival to encourage understanding of our local insects. During this free single-day festival each fall, I know, got it. I know. Looks like I'm not going to the festival. They're going to bar me at the door. So, hey, but they're going to have interactive exhibits. You're going to learn about insects and the insect-based research taking place at the U of A Milan. and beyond, of course. Also, there's going to be food trucks.
Not to eat insects, hopefully.
No. And this year's theme insect is the beautiful white-lined sphinx moth. That's right, Haleus lenitiana. I think I tried. It's sometimes called the hummingbird moth because of its size and its flight pattern. It hovers around flowers, sipping nectar all over Tucson, even in the daylight.
Huh.
John, those are so beautiful. I love those moths when you see them out there. So be careful. Don't hurt them, and they do a lot of good work. So, John, tell everybody the 411 on this.
Well, this is going to be Sunday the 9th from 10 in the morning to 3 p.m. That's at the ENR2 building on UA campus, 1064th East Lowell Street. This is actually a free event with free parking. Get that.
Free event and free parking. Gee, John,
More free stuff in there.
John, I got the jibs, John. Here, look at this moth real quick, everybody. Look how beautiful this is. I know you've all seen this. Look at how beautiful it is. You know what, everybody? And everybody at home. I know. Got the jibs. All right. So, hey, but please keep in mind,
if you happen to have an upcoming local event that you'd like to have us promote, message us, please, the details, and we'll get it on our next Funky Fresh Friday for you.
You know, John, we love it that people have been reaching out to us with their mortgage-related questions. But I know we've been thinking that, you know what, maybe other people have the similar questions. So with that in mind, we want to kick off a new segment on Funky Fresh Friday called You've Got Questions, We've Got Answers.
Wow, that was like the slogan for Radio Shack, wasn't it?
You know what, it was. And if it was good enough for them, it's got to be good enough for our followers,
Absolutely.
Right? All right, so our first question that was emailed in, or actually messaged in, so we want to thank Sylvia in Levine. So she asks, hey, I don't need a realtor to find a house before I get pre-qualified, do I? You know what, Sylvia, that's a great question, and many people ask the same thing. You know, the realtor is the agent that you will first ask what you're looking for, right? You're going to tell them what you want, tell them what your budget is, and they're going to work with you and try to figure out, based on your budget, what kind of house that you can afford and all that kind of stuff, right?
Then actually what's going to happen is they're going to tell you to consult with one of their preferred lenders, obviously we're one of those, to get pre-qualified. Basically what happens, we'll collect your assets and income documentation and get you pre-qualified based on the information you provided us to actually share with your agent for a qualification amount. That way you know exactly what the maximum price you can afford and qualify for. And then next step is go pick out a home for yourselves.
So you don't really need a realtor first if you want to get pre-qualified. We're happy to help you guys, whether you're with somebody or not. So
absolutely.
Sylvia, great question.
Thanks again, Sylvia.
We hope that answers it for you. Thanks. And if you at home have a mortgage-related question, message us and we'll answer it in next week's Funky Fresh Friday. Or just
you can call me at 480-251-1152 to help you out, or call Rob
at 520-240-2189, and we'll be happy to answer any of your mortgage or mortgage-related questions.
And you know, Rob, our best source of business comes from referrals and word of mouth now.
You know, it sure does, John. And so we always like to take a moment and recognize and thank you for placing your trust in referring us to your friends, family, and anyone that you know that are needing home loans or just have some home loan questions.
Absolutely. And referrals are the key to our success. So please, again, thank you for helping us spread the word. Thanks again.
Thanks again, guys. And remember, at Academy Mortgage,
no loan is too big.
No loan is too small.
When it comes to home loans,
hey, we can handle them all. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Rob.
And I'm John from Academy.
Hey, we hope you all have a funky
Fresh
Friday. Hey, get out there, enjoy some activities going on this weekend. Cliff, thanks for the shirt. Love it.
Oh, and don't forget to please click like and share and follow us below.
You know, guys, be safe, make someone's day, and we'll see you next week.
Yep, see you then.
All right.